Hello guys, in this tutorial we are discussing about new kind of operators in Python, that is nothing but assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. Now assignment operators means pretty simple. Okay, every now and then we use assignment operators, not only in Python language, in any language for that matter. Okay, so what is the assignment operator? Okay, assignment operator simply we can say is equal to, okay, is equal to, is the symbol which we use for the assignment operator. Okay, so how this will be used? Assignment operator will be used to assign the values to the variable. Okay, to assign the values to the variable we can use this assignment operator. Okay, this concept is applicable not only in Python, in any other programming language, or in mathematics as well. Okay, so in this way we can apply assignment operator. Okay, for example, like if I want to create a variable call as a with the value 10, so I can do like that. Or else if I want to create a name, okay, language, then with the help of this Python, okay, now Python is my value, and that value, okay, that value I am assigning to the variable called as language. Okay, so in this way we can assign, okay, we can assign all these values to a variable with the help of this assignment operator. Okay, now let us see how we can do that in ideally. Okay, this is very simple. Now I have the value 10. This 10 I need to assign to a variable called as x. So with the help of this assignment operator assignment operator equal to, we can do that. Okay, now from now onwards x value will be 10 only. Okay, x value will be 10 only. Same way, if I have a variable called as language and my language value is something called as Python, then from now onwards my language variable value will be Python only. Okay, so in this way we can use assignment operator not only in Python but in any other language. Okay, now here I need to I need to tell you something. Okay, difference between double equal to and single equal to. Okay, so many people will be confused with these things when they are starting with the coding. Okay, so what is the difference between double equal to and single equal to? Okay, so single equal to is nothing but, okay, single equal to is nothing but assignment operator. Okay, same way double equal to is nothing but equality operator. Okay, but actually what is the real difference? Okay, so what is the real difference means, whenever we are using single equal to, okay, whenever we are using single equal to, what's happening is, suppose I have a variable called as a and its value is something called as 999. Okay, now in this case what happening here is the value 999, okay, whatever the value I gave in the right hand side, okay, whatever the value that I gave in the right hand side, that will be getting assigned. Okay, that will be getting assigned to the variable declared on the left hand side. Okay, whatever the value present in the right hand side will be assigned to the variable present in the left hand side. That's why, since we are assigning to 992, okay, since we are assigning 999 to a, here in this case single equal to is called as assignment operator. What we are doing? We are doing assigning. Okay, now what we did? Okay, from now onwards a value is 999. Now coming to the double equal to. What is double equal to means? Double equal to, what we are doing is we are cross checking. Okay, we are cross checking whether a value is equal to 999 or not. Okay, see here what this will do means, it will cross check. Okay, it will cross check whether a value is equal to 999 or not. Okay, cross checking. So in this case, as of now, a value is equal to 999, so it will return true. Okay, double equal to, equality operator will always returns true or false. Okay, it always returns a boolean value because it is cross checking. If the checking is done fine, then it will return true, otherwise false. So in this case it is true only. Suppose if I am checking a equal to 888, something like that, so in this case it is getting false because a value is 999, but we are checking with 888. So in this case it will return false definitely. Okay, so this is how we can differentiate this double equal to and single equal to. Okay, this looks the same, but internally these are very different. I hope all of you understand what is the difference between double equal to and single equal to. Okay, now let us move to the next kind of operator in assignment operator in Python. Okay, that is nothing but compound assignment operator. Okay, that is nothing but compound assignment operator. Okay, name looks big, but actually it's very simple. Okay, compound assignment operator is nothing but when we combine, okay, when we combine assignment operator with all arithmetic operators. Okay, I mean, whenever we combine assignment operator with any arithmetic operator that we have, then we can form a compound assignment operator. Okay, basically it is a combination of one arithmetic operator and one assignment operator. Okay, if we combine both of them, then definitely we can form a compound assignment operator. Okay, so these are all the compound assignment operators like this. In this way we can form the compound assignment operators in Python. So plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, and this is divided by equal to, modulo equal to, float division equal to. Of course we can do power equal to, something like that. Okay, so in this way we can form the compound assignment operators in Python. Let us see how we can use this compound assignment operator in ideally. Okay, now we are trying to explain a compound assignment operator. Compound assignment operator. Now my a value is 999, or else my x value is what? 10. X value is 10, right? Now what I'm doing, if I keep x plus equal to 10, okay, x plus equal to 10, what happens here is basically here we are applying an expression. Okay, we are applying an expression over this value called as x. So in this case what we are doing is we are doing x equal to x plus 10. So what we are doing for the existing value of x, what is the existing value of x? It is 10 only. Okay, for that 10 I am adding another 10. Okay, and another 10. So basically what is 10, what I am doing here, 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 is what? 20. Okay, 10 plus 10 is what? 20. So now after applying this compound assignment operator 10, what is my new x value? It will be 20 only. Okay, see, now let me explain with one more example. Plus equal to 5. So in this case what I am doing? I am doing this operator. Okay, for the existing x value I am adding one more 5. Okay, I am adding 5. So what happens? What is existing x value? It is 20. So 20 plus 5, it forms 25. Now my new x value will be 25. Okay, so in this way we can apply compound assignment operator with the plus. Let us see this compound assignment operators with one or two more arithmetic operators. Now we will see with minus equal to. Now my x value is what? 25. Again if I put x minus equal to, okay, x minus equal to 5. So what I am doing here, x equal to simply x minus 5 for the existing x value. Okay, for the existing x value I am subtracting 5. So existing x value is 25 and I am subtracting 5. Now it will form 20. 25 minus 20, 25 minus 5 is nothing but 20. So x value is 20. So like that. Now if I do x minus equal to something like 7, again it's very simple. Okay, x equal to x minus 7. Okay, so in this case it will be 20 minus 7, that will form me 13. So 13 will be my output. So x value will be 13 now. So in this way we can apply subtraction assignment operator. Now let me try with another operator called a star equal to. Okay, so what I am doing here, my x value is 13. So if I apply, okay, star, if I apply the compound assignment operator star equal to 2. So what I am doing here basically, okay, x value is what? Okay, x equal to x into, okay, x into 2. So what happening here, x value is what? 13. 13 into 2, that is forming the number called as 26. So in this, okay, after doing this, what is my x value? It is 26. Okay, it is 26. Now again if I am applying a compound assignment operator star equal to 3. Now in this case, okay, x equal to x star 3. So what I am doing, present x value is 26. 26 into 3. that is nothing but 78. Okay, so my new x value will be 78. Okay, so in this way we can apply compound assignment operators with the help of any arithmetic operators available in Python. I hope all of you understand how to apply compound assignment operator and also the normal assignment operator. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.